Hi everyone, with Traffic RockStars, this is Brandon Grattini from BrandonGrattini.com. And in this short video, we're going to show you how to install Google Analytics. This video is going to show you how to register for your free analytics account, how to generate your analytics code, how to install that code on your website, and the different things that the analytics code will track for you. Alright, so we're going to get into setting up your Google Analytics account and then show you how to install it on your web page. So, first thing you want to do is start out at Google and just go ahead and type in Google Analytics and it'll take you right to the page that you need. So we're going to sign up for a new account and it's going to be pretty simple. I'm just going to click sign up now and I'm going to go ahead and complete the Google information and we will be registered with an account and I will see you when we're on the inside. Okay, so I just registered for my new Google Analytics account, so I've read the terms of service and I'm just going to go ahead and click continue. And here I am. The very first thing that I see is the code to paste on my sites. All I have to do is install this piece of code, and if you read here, anytime before, and in fact preferably right before the end body tag. So there's the end body tag. And you just do a copy paste right into your site and Google will automatically begin to recognize and start tracking stats. So I'm going to go ahead and get into our index page that we created on our basic web page and I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that in. Alright, so we're back inside of SeaMonkey in our HTML editor on this basic index page that we created. So I'm just going to go back to grab our code and I'm going to highlight that and copy it. I'm going to click the HTML source because we're going to want to paste this into the code, and if you remember it said paste it right before the end body tag, which is right at the bottom. So I'm just going to right click and paste that in. You won't see anything, as you notice again, and this will never be seen to anybody on the web. This is a code that's just there for tracking purposes only. So that's it. All I'm going to do is save this file and then I'm going to go ahead back to my cPanel and upload the index page all over again so that way it records with our analytics code. Alright, so we've got our opt-in form installed, we've got our tracking code installed on fasthowtovideos.com. Now we're just going to go back to our analytics account where we grab that code and we're going to hit save and finish. And this is where we're going to be able to track some of our stats. Now obviously we just installed this so we're not going to see anything right away, but I'm just going to show you a couple of things that we're going to be able to look at once we're inside this analytics account. So you'll be able to track your number of visits, how many page views you get, how many pages per visit, your bounce rate, the average time people spend on your site, and the number of visitors that are new. And once you get some pages down here, you'll be able to see which pages in the lower right, which pages are actually getting viewed. And then on the left, you'll be able to see where those are coming from. So whether it's from a pay-per-click campaign, whether it is from natural rankings in a search engine, or if it's from a link from another site. Now this is very useful because if you happen to be getting a lot of links from another site, then those are showing you opportunities that you need to find other sites like it and also how to create partnerships with those people that are sending you traffic. So there's just a lot of stuff that you're going to be able to do. You'll be able to set goals in here. You'll be able to learn a lot about who your visitors are, which pages they're viewing, what languages they speak, what web browsers they're using, traffic sources. You'll be able to learn whether they're typing your domain in directly, whether it's another site referring, if it's from a search engine, an AdWords campaign, which keywords are being used in those campaigns that are sending the traffic your way. You're going to be able to drill down on things, what your top landing pages is, when people leave your site, and you can also set goals for yourself based on certain pages. So if you have an opt-in script, a goal could be to get to the confirmation page. So there's just all kinds of different things that you can do inside your analytics account. These are great tools that you should certainly take advantage of. I know it's a quick little overview, but you can get in here and play around with these accounts. The important thing is to make sure that you've got your code correctly installed on your web page, and this will track all kinds of good stuff for you. And as you can see, that's another simple process to building your website. And you can also see that Google Analytics will give you a bunch of different tracking options that can be really useful for your site. With Traffic RockStars, this is Brandon Grattini from BrandonGrattini.com.